Just picked up this little project here. It's a little pop-up. It's a Coleman Pioneer. It's in decent shape. A little bit of exterior damage. The obvious sun fading. It's got some hail damage. But I got a pretty good deal on it, and we're basically picked this up because we want to use it as like a friends and family type of thing. Like if we've got friends or family that want to come camping with us but they don't have a camper, they can take this. And the reason why I picked this one up, it looks a little rough on the outside. The inside is in really good shape, and that's why I wanted it. As everyone knows, campers fade, the outsides go first. There's going to be several projects I'm going to be doing on this, not major. So the first project on this thing is going to be this lid here. This is one piece from what I can tell, and as you can see, it's got some water damage. And that's my main concern, is getting this sealed back up. Now, the previous owner told me that the heater did not work and the overhead lights did not work. But he told me the water system worked, the lower electrical outlets worked when they were plugged into shore power. So going into it, I knew we were going to have issues with the overhead lights and the heater. The reason why this particular camper stood out to me, though, was because the cushions were in great shape, the bed was in great shape, the canvas was in great shape. And look at the stove, it looks brand new. I'm going to go over all the repairs that I'm going to do on this camper, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much money I spent. Now be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, and be sure to like this video, guys, for the algorithms, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.